So we're gonna do the jerk chicken, and let's see. Now it's quarantine time, so I'm just using whatever we have available in the house. I don't want to hear nothing. And plus, this is for my nephews, so you know, I also work with it. This is Royal Montego. That's their jerk seasoning. We'll just throw some of that on there. Another thing I like to do, you gotta always add allspice, right? So even though this have the allspice in there already, we add more, all right? Then, you know, we have my jerk seasoning. So that's gotta go in there. You might be like, whoa, that look like a lot of seasoning. Nope, no, it's not even close. This is all powder stuff, so I don't want to hear nothing from anybody. Powder garlic, some soy sauce, all right? Black pepper, get that in there. And then, you know, I like to do a little adobo. And it look like it's seasoned enough, but believe me, when they start moving stuff around, it's not that crazy. And some Lowry seasoning salt. Now remember. So now, gloves, and get this thing in. See? Now we need to get that all in there, so all in these crevices, right? And look, this side don't even get touched yet. So that's why I told you it looked like a lot of seasoning, but it's really not. You're gonna have to come and hit the other side too. All right? And get this all in there. So now, what I like to do, we're gonna make a little hole in here so that we can get the jerk in. See? All in here. All in that stuff. All in the chicken. This is gonna be crazy season. Alright. Where did I get that hole at? Oh, here it goes. Get that seasoning in there. Get it all in there. Then take this one, next one, swap it up, and go ahead and do the same thing. And again, like I said, it might look like a lot of seasoning to you now, but believe me, later on you'll be like, man, I think we did season up that food there, no, man. And no, you didn't. I know this from experience. Alright, but I'm still on my 60-day vegetarian diet, so this is not for me, unfortunately. It's for the two greedy hog-faced nephew them of mine. Alright, so that's that right there, pretty much. And even without tasting that, I already know you probably have to hit it with some more seasoning, you know? So I got some pink salt, just a little bit. I don't use too much of this just because it's gonna be salted already. And then some more allspice, which is just ground up pimento. All right? And that's it. And now, with me, I'm gonna make this sit. So, I know everybody like, oh, with the onion and all of that. I don't have any right now, and I'm not going to the store to get none. So, we're working with what we have. This is quarantine jerk chicken. Okay? You just work with what you got and make it work. Okay? Alright, see you in a minute. So, you use this. You know, put the charcoal in there, okay? That's the easiest way to light charcoal. Then, take a little of this, not much. And let me see. Normally I have a piece, but let's see if this works. Let's get that in there. That's all you have to do. That's it. See? And then that is how you do it. So you light charcoal. And let that burn out for a minute. So it's been about 10-15 minutes, and you know, I'm hungry, so we're gonna try and get it started. Now you can see some of the charcoal is not fully done. If I would have left it like another you know, 5 minutes or so, everything would have been white hot, but it's okay for what we need it to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use it now. All right, so just kind of trying to make a hot spot. So I'm going to one side of the grill. I kind of want to just have you know, cool. So you know, if the fire starts catching on the chicken, you have a place to put it to where it doesn't burn. So that's why I have the charcoal mainly on one side. And then, you know, now I'm just gonna add some wood. This is mesquite wood. You know, if we was you know, Jamaica, you probably would use pimento wood, but you have to import that here. So we're gonna just use what we have, you know. And you know, I put them on the outer wedge because I don't want it to really catch fire and burn. I just want it to kind of smoke. You understand? So that's why you see I'm putting it over here like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, get it underneath some of these hot charcoals here. Okay. That's how that's gonna go. Give me some smoke. I don't want this to catch fire, so I'm going to throw a little water on the wood. Because the wood, I just need the wood to give me smoke, not fire. I should have soaked them first, but I didn't. Now, time to get this chicken on this grill. Stuff in there. Yo, so you see it's catching fire here, but let me out this with this water. You know, normally I would have beer, you know, you'd use a nice little red stripe, but again, quarantine time, so we have to use what we have. So I'm just, you know, I really should have soaked these instead, you know, but hey, we do what we have to do. Oh, wow. They're looking good. Smoking up nice. I can't really see too much. So flip that around. You know what I mean? Get some water out that thing a little bit. That's release of smoke, not fire. Once it turned on the other side, so. Let that cook. This is very slow cooking. And now I gotta leave it for another like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna move everything. See how I left that part of the grill empty? For a reason. I want it to break apart. Look at that. So, right now, just do like that. Leave it on the cold side and put the cover back on it and let it just steam out.